Top 3 Google phones in 2025. Welcome to Techiato. I'm Reza, and in today's video, we're counting down the top 3 Google phones of 2025. 3. Google Pixel Fold 2, the best foldable phone. Starting at number 3, we have the Pixel Fold 2, Google's best foldable phone so far. The new design includes a 7.9-inch inner display that's brighter and more durable, and a 6.4-inch outer display for quick access. The stronger hinge provides a more refined folding experience, and it's powered by the Tensor G4 chip, giving you smooth performance for multitasking. For photography, the 5.0 main sensor and for 8MP telephoto lens capture sharp images, and the 5x optical zoom helps with zooming in on distant subjects. It also has an improved battery, lasting through the day even with the larger display. If you want a premium foldable, the Pixel Fold 2 is a great choice. If you're enjoying the countdown, don't forget to like and subscribe. 2. Google Pixel 9. The best for most users. Coming in at number 2 is the Pixel 9, a fantastic phone for most users who want a balance of performance and price. The Tensor G4 chip ensures fast performance, and the 6.3-inch display with a 90Hz refresh rate offers a smooth viewing experience. It's not as high-end as the Pixel 9 Pro, but still delivers top-tier performance. The camera system includes the 5.0 main sensor, and while it doesn't have the telephoto zoom found in the Pro, it does offer great AI-enhanced digital zoom. The compact design makes it perfect for one-handed use, and Google's AI features like Call Screen and Magic Editor make everyday tasks easier and smarter. For those who want a solid device with great performance, the Pixel 9 is the one to go for. Thanks for supporting Techiato, and if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit that button. 1. Google Pixel 9 Pro, the ultimate flagship. And finally, at number 1, we have the Pixel 9 Pro, the ultimate flagship phone for 2025. The 6.7-inch LTPO display offers a stunning 120Hz refresh rate, making everything look super smooth. For photography, the 5.0 main sensor and 60MP periscope lens with 5x optical zoom deliver incredible detail, even from a distance. Whether you're shooting portraits or zooming in on faraway subjects, the camera system has you covered. Powered by the Tensor G4 chip, this phone is built for fast and efficient performance. It also has a 5,200 mAh battery, ensuring all-day usage without worrying about recharging. The combination of powerful performance, amazing cameras, and AI-driven features like real-time translation and Magic Editor makes the Pixel 9 Pro the best of the best in 2025. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech content.